Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Motion. This is Morta, the robotic voice that will show you everything you need to know about video editing and After Effects. So if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Today we will learn how to do this. Let's jump to After Effects and start by creating a new composition. We are going to set it to HDTV 1080 29.97 frame and 11 seconds. Let's create a new black solid for the background for now. I'm going to create this intro with a text, but you can use a logo, it's the same. I'm going to write robotic voice because I'm very creative. And change the colors to red and white. Go to the Effects and Presets tab and search for the Scatterize effect. Apply it to the text. Move to half a second in the timeline. Keyframe the scatter to 75. The right twist to -175 and the left twist to 240. Then move to 3 seconds on the timeline and keyframe them to 0. Press U to see all the keyframes. Then go and search for Polar Coordinates effect. Add the Scatterize and CC Twister effects. Put the completion in the twister effect to 100. Now grab the text tool and create an empty text layer. Then go back to the CC twister and change the backside to the empty text layer. Press U again to show your keyframes. Go to the Start keyframes and keyframe the completion to 100. Then move to 3 seconds and keyframe it at 0%. Go to Polar Coordinates and keyframe the interpolation to 25 at the Start keyframes, then 0% at 3 seconds. Now keyframe the sphere's radius to 102 and go to 4 seconds and move it up to 1700. Press T to open the opacity. Go to 3 seconds, then move some frames. Keyframe the opacity to 100, then move some more to make it 0. Let's turn all effects on and preview the first part of our work. Now let's start the second part. Duplicate the layer and remove all effects except Scatterize. Press U to show the keyframes. Then invert the opacity keyframes and make it faster. Go to Effect and search for Pixel Poly. Nothing is showing for now, but let's start by changing the force to 19. Change the gravity to 0.05. Change the direction randomness to 50 and the grid spacing to 5. Or 10 is better. Now change the start time to 4 seconds. Do the same to the first layer. Now move to 5 seconds and keyframe the opacity. Then at 8 seconds make it 40. Keyframe the force at 5 seconds and change it to 200 at 8 seconds. Or maybe move the keyframe to 11 seconds. Duplicate the layer and add the scatter effect to the layer. Change direction randomness to make it different and the gravity to 0.06. Then in the scatter effect change the amount to 7. Make the preview bigger to see the effect. Check the randomize every frame box. Then go to Effect and add CC Scatterize effect. I think it is better to change the scatter amount to 160 and the scatter to 7. The effect starts before 4 seconds, so let's move a frame before 4 seconds and set the opacity to 0. Duplicate the layer. Delete the CC Scatterize and scatter effects. Go to 4 seconds. Change the object to square. The direction to 60%. The spining to 37. And the force to 20. Or 15 is better in this case. Now the logo animation is ready. Tomorrow I'm going to upload the second part of this tutorial. I will show you how to make the background. I hope this video was helpful. If so, leave a like and a comment. You can find the project file in the description.